Installation Guide. 1. Installing the filter. Step 1. Align the marks on the filter and dispenser as shown. Then insert the filter into the designated bucket. Step 2. Gently press and rotate the filter handle clockwise until it locks in a horizontal position with a lock icon. And make sure the dot icons on the filter and dispenser are aligned. 2. Adding water to the tank. Step 1. Remove the water tank cover plate, and pick up the water tank in an upward direction. Step 2. Fill the feed water tank with tap water. Step 3. Place the water tank back into the dispenser, and cover it with the plate. Step 4. Push down on the water tank to secure it in place. 3. Flushing the new dispenser. Step 1. When the dispenser is turned on for the first time, press the confirm key until the interface displays as shown. Step 2. After adding enough water to the feed water tank, tap the confirm key once. Then place a water container larger than 100 ounces on the drip tray. And press any key to start flushing. Step 3. The dispenser will automatically filter and dispense water during flushing. Step 4. When the indicator lights up, and the interface shows as indicated, it means the dispenser is due for a water change. Step 5. Flushing is complete, and the new dispenser is ready for regular use when the interface displays as shown.